VMware Fusion versus Workstation Pro versus UTM, which is honestly better. I'm going to do a quick lightning round. Let's start off with VMware Fusion. Now, the pros are it has native support for Apple Silicon, Track Preview now maturing. It has great integration with Mac OS. It supports a wide variety of OSs, and Fusion is free for personal use. The cons, it's not all 86 base VMs run smoothly on Apple Silicon, and pro features like Snapshot Advanced Overfitting cost extra. It's best for Mac users who wants a balance between performance and features, not ideal if you need high-performing window gaming or software that relies on 86 attention. The next one, VMware Workstation Pro. It has the pros of top-tier performance and compatibility with Windows and Linux hosts, great for developers, tester, and advanced user. It has powerful snapshotting, cloning, and networking tools. The cons, it's paid only, no free version like Fusion Player, and it's not available on macOS. It's best for power users on Windows/Linux who needs a deep VM features and rock-solid stability. And it can be overkill for casual or light use though. Now, the last one, UTM. The pros, it's free and open source. It's built on QEMU with a GUI, great for ARM Silicon system. It works on iOS and macOS, even on iPads. It supports both virtualization and emulation, although the cons are it's slower than native virtualization OSs. It has fewer polished features like shared folders, drag and drop, and etc. GUI isn't as smooth as advanced as VMware. It's best for thinkers or Apple Silicon users who want flexibility and free software, but it's not ideal for heavy 86 workloads or commercial uses. The best overall is honestly for me, VMware Workstation Pro. It has unmatched feature and performance. The best for Mac is VMware Fusion Pro Player. It's stable and well integrated. And it's best for Mac as well for UTM because it's free or Fusion if you need more feature. But best free overall option is UTM, especially for non-86 VMs and casual testing.